I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own printable coloring book in Canva using only free tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to design fun pages, add your own front and back covers, and export your file ready to print or sell online. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, head over to Canva and in the search bar type ebook. This will show you a variety of book style layouts that work perfectly for coloring books. Choose one that fits your style and click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Once you're inside, go to the Elements tab on the left panel and search for any animal. Let's say a monkey. Pick a line art or simple graphic style, something easy to color in. Now here's the key part. Remove the color from the element you chose. You can do this by selecting the graphic, clicking the color icon on top, and changing it to black or white outlines only. Repeat this process to fill your book with 10 to 20 pages of different animals or illustrations. You can also add color guides at the bottom of each page if you want, but that's totally optional. Once all your pages are done, make sure to include a front cover and a back cover to complete your design. When you're happy with your coloring book, click Share and hit on Download. If you plan to sell or share it digitally, select PDF Standard. But if you want to print physical copies, choose PDF Print for the best quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created your own printable coloring book in Canva. Simple, fun, and perfect for selling or gifting to kids and families. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.